Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with basics that matter: power and the right connection. Make sure the A50 base has steady power and the headset shows a charged LED. Once done, plug the base into a rear PS5 USB port to avoid intermittent power. Now on your PS5 open settings, select Sound, then Output Device and choose the USB headset labeled for the Astro A50. This route ensures PS5 routes audio through the dock rather than the controller or TV. Next, you re-establish a clean connection and verify routing. Dock the A50, press and hold the base pairing button until the LEDs flash to force a repair, then wait for a steady connection. Make sure PS5 sound output selects the USB headset, and if you want game and chat, set output to headphones to all audio. While you're here, set master and chat mix on the A50 base and confirm PS5 volume and mute are not suppressing sound. To finish, run practical tests. Launch a game and join voice chat to confirm game and chat audio. If you still hear nothing, swap the USB cable and try another port. Faulty cables are common culprits. Update the A50 firmware using Astro Command Center on a PC, or perform the headset factory reset per the manual to clear firmware glitches. If the problem persists after these steps, try the base on another console, then contact Astro support. One key troubleshooting tip is to always test with a known good USB cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.